What's up guys, and welcome to Website Builder Easy. And in this video I'm going to show you how you can use Website Builder Easy to build and manage your new custom awesome website. Okay, so you can start selling online or start your blog or whatever you want to do online. You can use this website, Easy Website Builder, to build a stunning new website for your business. All right, like that being said, guys, let's get started. All right, so Website Builder Easy is a website builder that allow you to build any kind of website. Okay, and to get here, you have to type easywebsitebuilder.org to get here. Okay, all right, so Website Builder Easy, and this is just some information right here to get you to know what Website Builder Easy is. So Website Builder Easy start building your website, no code needed. So you do not need any coding skills to start build a website using Website Builder Easy. Okay, or easywebsitebuilder.org, because the only thing you need is your keyboard and your mouse, and you drag stuff and drop stuff where you want it to be and just type what you need it to say. Okay, so like that being said, guys, as you can see, build a beautiful website without coding. Technical skills are expensive web designers. Okay, so you don't need any of those skills to build a stunning new website. And if I want to, I can just click the start building your website button now, and I will, prompt to start building my website. But I'm here to show you a little bit more of what Website Builder Easy can do for your business. Okay, so as you can see, we have a website builder. This is a website builder, website funnel builder, and you can also build e-commerce store with it. So it's e-commerce website builder as well. What is Website Builder Easy? All right. Website Builder Easy is a simple solution that helps individual entrepreneurs, small businesses, and organizations create professional website quickly with drag and drop tools and ready-made template. Anyone can build a website regardless of experience. Okay, so no matter what your experience is, you can use this tool, Website Builder Easy, to build your website. Okay, whether you need a business website, online store, blog, portfolio, landing page, or membership site, Website Builder Easy make the process simple and fast. And that is right, because I built thousands of sites on here, and it is really fast. Okay, you can build a website in 10 minutes or less. Okay, that's how fast it is. All right, so as you can see, some more it have to offer. All right, you have everything you need in one place, so you don't have to be managing all them different tools. Everything is in one place. Okay, all right, and as you can see, you can build your website in minutes and you grow your business fast. All right, this, and let me tell you, this SEO tools that this thing have in built inside this platform is phenomenal. Okay, Google love every site that build on this platform. You will see your website rank very high in Google. Okay, all right. So website builder, easywebsitebuilder.org. All right. So build a professional website faster and easier than ever. And it's basically, drag and drop capability. Everything you just drag and drop and you're ready to rock. All right. As you can see, drag and drop page builder, built-in SEO tools, e-commerce, and online store. These are some awesome things that you can do with this platform. Okay, so this is the platform, and when you get ready, you just say, for example, you're ready, you just click here and you will just sign up and start building your website. Okay, all right, so I already have a plan. As you can see, these are the plans. Start from $5.99. You can choose whatever plan you want. I will suggest, if you are starting out, you can choose whether this plan, or this plan. These are fantastic because you get the website and funnel and you get all these amazing features. And the best part is when you create in your online store, when you start to make sales, we take zero transaction fee. Other platform, other builder will take a percentage of every sale you make. We don't. Every penny that you make, as long as you have a subscription, will be yours to keep. Okay, so keep this in mind. I will go for any one of these two plan right here. All right, just to start with. All right, so let's go into the platform. All right, so let me refresh this real quick. All right, so as you can see right now, it is refreshing. And now this is the platform. Okay, so as you can see, everything is drag and drop and you're ready to rock. All right, so if you want, so for example, you want to change this header right here, let me show you how easy this is. All right, so say for example, I need a more better header, not header but above, um so for example, this block right here, this block, if I need a better one than this is stunning and everything, but what if I want to change it? I can just come here, click this right here, and it give me plenty of these arrow to choose from. Okay, so what if I go through and I say for example, I need an arrow with a video, I can do that. Or if not, I can just choose any one that I like. Okay, for example, let me see if, let me scroll back up. This one, I like this one as well. And really like this one too. Okay, for example, if I want to choose any one of these, so for example, I'm going to choose this one, right? I can just click that one. I can totally delete this one. So now I have this arrow. All right, so now I can just change whatever I want in here. All right, so if I want to say, for example, we can say, I say, or selling books and videos. I can say video courses, but this is for demonstration purposes. As you can see, I can just, just drag things around. It's very easy to do. If I need this to come over some more, I just, drag it over there. And if I need the text to be smaller, I can just double click it, and as you can see right here, I can just put it to 66 easily, just like that. Okay, for example, I need to keep all the changes that I make. I just click save up here, and this is the way my website will look right now. Okay, so I can change everything on this page. Okay, so books and videos, I'm gonna click save, and you can write a little description right here. We check out our store for prices and new books. every day. For example, not the best description, but you get the idea. You can change whatever you want. You can make it bigger if you want. You can make it smaller if you want. Whatever you want to do, you can do so. Okay? And just click save. Even the button right here, you can click here, double click, and come over here and change the button. You can say shop now, and as you can see, the button change immediately, and I can save it. Alright, so like how you make all these changes, what if you want a picture to go here and you do not have a picture? Simple. We have built-in library that you can choose, excuse me, Opuli, you can choose from thousands of pictures online. So for example, I come here to the image directory and then I'm gonna type books and see what comes up. As you can see, we have pictures of books. Okay, so this is to let your customer knows that you've been selling book on your website. Okay, so for example, I choose that one and I click select. Now the picture is going to change immediately. As you can see, it's right here. Now we have an awesome picture that we just choose right here. What if we need it bigger? As I told you before, it's easy. Everything is drag and drop. So you can drag it around the sizes and see what size you want it to be. And just resize it up a little bit, you know, and get it perfectly the way you want it. Okay? And then you click save. All right, and that's basically the way how you do it with Website Builder Easy. All right, and if you want to see how the customer gonna preview and see your website, you can preview it right here and click it right here, and it will open a new tab right here, and it will show you how your website going to look. So this is how your visitors gonna see your website. Okay, if I click shop now, it doesn't do anything yet because I never linked the button yet. I do not link the button to go to the store as yet. Alright, so if I come back over here, alright, so for example, I need to work in this area a little bit more. So for example, if I wanted to come up to the top more like that, I can do that and save it. Or so for example, I want to link the button now to go to the store. So I can just click store right here because we have to activate our store. Okay, so when we click store, it's gonna ask us if we want to activate our store, and we're gonna click yes. All right, so let me click there's no order yet, no dashboard. Yeah, dashboard is here. So when you start to see sales, this is where your money gonna come up. Okay, and it will show you everything. This is another video, but this is where you will see your earning and everything. It's amazing the way it's gonna look. Products, this is where you're gonna add your products. Okay, and as you can see, this is basically for the product. Okay, and I do not want it to be going to Facebook. I click Facebook by accident, so let me come off of that. Yeah, so now the store is activated, so let me go back out here to the builder, and I'm gonna link the store to the appropriate location. As you can see, just slash there. So if I click store and I click select, now save, if I come back to the preview and refresh it, once I refresh it, now I can click shop now and it will go to the store. So this is basically how the store is gonna look. Alright, and I'm gonna be uploading my books in here. So when somebody click it, and they can add the store the book to the cart because it's gonna be book, and then they're gonna check it out, and once they check it out, they can put their name and email and stuff to purchase this book. As you can see, name, email, and so on and so forth. Okay, so all these great things your store gonna be able to do: collect email and make sales, and everything will go to the store in the back end of the store dashboard. Okay, in the dashboard you will see all your sales once customers start to purchase your books or whatever you're selling on your store. Okay, so like that being said, guys, this is Website Builder Easy. I'm saving everything else for another video because we're gonna have more videos coming out of how you can build out your entire website. But as you can see, this website looking stunning. This website is beautiful and it looking stunning. It's very, very, very good. It's a very good platform to build your website. And as I said before, everything is fast and easy to do, you know, and you will have a professional website that your customer will love to shop on. And as you can see, you can do the video. We can do the video right here. We will talk about that later on. But yeah, it's just amazing, and everything on this page you can change and you can build out your business website and just start to see result immediately. Okay, you can finish this in less than 10 minutes. Okay, and start to see result immediately. So like that being said, guys, if you're new to the channel, please subscribe. Subscribe to this YouTube channel, guys, and stay tuned because we're gonna have a lot more videos for you guys, so you guys can see how you can build out your website and start generating sales online, start making money online, and so on and so forth. Okay, guys, thank you guys for visiting, hopefully, Website Builder Easy. Thank you for visiting Website Builder Easy, and have a great day. Please make sure you subscribe to the YouTube channel to get more videos, and just click start and start building your website. I'm gonna put a link in the description so you just can click it and go to this page and just click start building your website and start building your business website today. Thank you guys for watching, and see you in another video. Peace out.